Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Azure Kubernetes Service Portal, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Azure portal at azure.microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address associated with your Azure account. Click Next to proceed. Input your password in the designated field. If prompted, complete any multi-factor authentication requirements. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Azure dashboard. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on Kubernetes Services. You will see a list of your existing Kubernetes clusters. To access a specific cluster, click on its name. The cluster's overview page will load. From here, you can manage your cluster settings and monitor its performance. To create a new cluster, click on the plus add button at the top of the page. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure your new Kubernetes cluster. After entering all required information, click Review plus Create. Review your settings, then click on Create to deploy your cluster. Your new Azure Kubernetes Service instance will begin provisioning. Once provisioned, you can return to the Kubernetes Services page to view its status. Utilize the built-in tools to manage, scale, and monitor your Kubernetes cluster effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.